I lost 50 pounds in 62 days. No vegetables, no diet food, no calorie counting, just meat. And every expert, every doctor, and my wife all thought I was crazy. There's something I never saw coming, but losing the weight was the smallest thing that changed. If you're over 40, exhausted, and you've tried everything, this video is for you. You know that feeling when you wake up and before your feet even hit the floor, you're already exhausted, already behind, already dreading what you're going to see in the mirror? For years, I dieted. Let me tell you, I tried so many diets. I ate the vegetables, I ate the low fat, I ate the chicken, I ate the diet food, but I was still stuck. Now, I came home from that cruise in 2024. When I stepped on that scale and I saw 348 pounds looking at me, I just stared at that number. And let's just say the first words out of my mouth are not appropriate for this video. I knew I had gained weight, but I had no idea how bad it was. I was completely floored. And everything came flooding in. Rolling out of bed each morning, back pain all day. Couldn't even cut my own toenails, much less tie my own shoes. In fact, I bought slip-on shoes so I didn't have to tie my shoes. But it wasn't just something physical that hit me. Something deeper got to me. You know, I had lied to my wife. Before the cruise, I told her I was dieting. I wasn't. And standing there, I realized if I can't control this, if I can't stop lying to her, how can she trust me with anything that actually matters? I mean, a man who can't keep his word to himself can't keep it to anybody. Maybe you know that feeling too. Seeing that number didn't just break something inside me. It woke something up. So hey guys, my name is Brandon. I've lost over 110 pounds and I finally became the man I kept saying I would be. The man God made me to be. Let me show you how I did it. Hey, I was done trying the same thing and expecting it to work. So I made a decision. I was not playing around this time. I needed something radically different, even insane. And this time, discipline showed up. Now, I had heard of the carnivore diet. Eat only meat, don't eat vegetables, don't eat bread. And let me be honest with you. I thought those people were absolutely nuts. I mean, everybody agrees you need vegetables, but I was desperate. So I quit eating vegetables completely, none. 62 days and 50 pounds later, I was converted. I know what you're thinking. Your doctor would lose his ever-loving mind. Your wife would think you've lost your mind. And trust me, your mom is already calling to tell you that you need all that fiber. I get it. I thought the same thing. And let me tell you, my wife definitely thought I had lost my mind. But vegetables weren't making me fat. They were keeping me stuck. Years of salad, of fiber, box food, processed food, diet food, doing everything right. And I was still almost 350 pounds, falling apart physically and mentally. So I made a deal with myself, 30 days, 100% strict carnivore, 0 cheats. I'd only eat beef, bacon, eggs, and butter. I told my wife my plans. She looked at me and said, "You're crazy. Everybody needs fiber. You're not even going to be able to poop." I did what any loving husband would do. I told her that if it didn't work, I would go back to my vegetables. But boy, it worked. And faster than anything I have ever tried before in my life. And I want to show you today exactly why. So what did I actually eat during those crazy 30 days? Beef, bacon, eggs, butter, sea salt. That's it. I know you're thinking that cannot be healthy. Just 100% real food. I didn't count calories. I didn't track my macros. I didn't even weigh my food. I just ate meat until I was full. That's it. I did not expect the cravings to stop in the second week, but that voice that told me to eat Reese's Cups at night finally shut up. One morning I reached up to the top shelf and I stopped short. My shoulder, the same one that had been hurting me for years, was moving pain-free. Over my head, no pain. I could not remember the last time that happened. And I wasn't even trying to fix my shoulder. Vegetables aren't the enemy, but my body was broken and inflamed. It needed a complete rest, not a tweak, a hard reset. When I started eating only meat, My entire body changed. Inflammation disappeared. Bloating, gone. My joints finally stopped screaming at me. My digestion got easier, even without the fiber. The reason most men fail isn't lack of effort. It's too many decisions. Just eat meat, that's it. Simplicity is the difference between quitting and finishing. Week 2, I woke up one morning and just got out of bed. No rocking, no rolling, no kicking my feet up. I stopped cold and said, what just happened? And the energy I've got, not from a can, not from coffee, just steady all day. No more afternoon crashes. I was 50 years old and I felt like I was 30. But the moment that really got to me, my youngest daughter's lacrosse game. After a game, she told me she was upset because she couldn't find me in the stands and thought I didn't come. She said, Dad, me and my teammates were looking for you and we couldn't find you. You looked like all the other dads. I mean, hear me, all the other dads. I had to walk away. I mean, I almost cried. If you're a dad, you know exactly what that meant to me. I could recognize the man in the mirror again who was looking back at me. In fact, it wasn't just me who noticed. My wife pulled me aside one day and she told me she was proud of me. She didn't think I could do it. Even if she didn't understand how not eating vegetables could be healthy, it was working for me. My inflammation went down and my energy went up. My joints stopped hurting. My cravings disappeared. Hey, if this is hitting home for you, hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel to get more content from me. And liking and subscribing. If you're standing where I was standing, tired, stuck, and out of options, this really is for you. Hear me on this. Now listen, my goal is to help 10,000 men who are over 40 lose 100 pounds. If you want to be one of those men, you can start right now. Download my free 30-day reset plan and take the first step toward becoming the man your family needs you to be. It's exactly what I did for my first 30 days. Beef, bacon, butter, eggs, sea salt, 0 vegetables, 0 guesswork, and 0 exercise. The link is in the description. This is the most important thing you can do today. And do me a favor. If you know a man that needs to hear this, send him this video today. And if this video helps you, hit that like button and subscribe to the video. I drop a couple new videos every week. Thanks for watching. Stay strong.